Welcome to my channel. Netgear Wi-Fi adapter not working. If your Netgear Wi-Fi adapter is not working, there could be several potential issues causing the problem. Here are some steps to troubleshoot and resolve. 1. Check physical connections, ensure proper insertion. Make sure the Wi-Fi adapter is securely connected to your computer's USB port. Try different ports. Try plugging the adapter into a different USB port to rule out port issues. 2. Restart the device. Reboot. Restart your computer to reset any temporary issues that might be affecting the adapter's performance. 3. Update or reinstall drivers. Download drivers. Visit the Netgear website and download the latest drivers for your specific Wi-Fi adapter model. Uninstall old drivers. Open Device Manager. Right-click Start button greater than Device Manager. Locate the Wi-Fi adapter under Network Adapters. Right-click the adapter and select Uninstall Device. Restart your computer. Install new drivers. Install the new drivers you downloaded. 4. Check Network Settings. Network and Sharing Center. Go to the Network and Sharing Center and ensure the adapter is enabled. Change adapter settings. Check the adapter settings in the control panel. 5. Disable Power Saving Mode. Device Manager. Open Device Manager and find your Wi-Fi adapter. Power Management tab. Six. Disable conflicting software. Antivirus/firewall. Temporarily disable any antivirus or firewall software to check if they are causing the issue. Network software. Ensure that other network management software isn't conflicting with the adapter. 7. Check for Windows updates. Update system. Ensure your operating system is up to date by running Windows Update. 8. Contact support. Netgear support. If none of the above solutions work, contact Netgear support for further assistance. There may be a hardware issue with the adapter itself.